Good morning everyone. I am Ramnath Mandi. Currently I am working as a lecturer in the Department of Chemical Engineering in UJ Raurkela. So today in this lecture we will discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature. So the word IUPAC stands for International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. So why we have a new systematic naming procedure? Because earlier there was a trivial system of naming of organic compound was prevalent. But there was a problem in the trivial system of naming organic compound. Like in case of trivial system of naming organic compound, we are naming the organic compound from its origination or from where it is discovered or from where it is isolated. But as the number of organic compound increased day by day, so there was a problem to name the huge number of organic compound. So a systematic naming procedure was needed. So we have introduced or a systematic naming procedure was introduced that is called IUPAC naming procedure. So let us dive deep into the topic. In IUPAC nomenclature method, there will be three parts. One is your root word and one prefix and one suffix will be there. So basically prefix and suffix gives us information about the what types of functional group are present or is present in the organic compound, and root word signifies the number of carbon atoms present in the organic compound. So let us see a simple example. Here in this organic compound, we can see there are five carbon atoms are there. So the word pent, which is written in the blue color, so it is the root word, and 4-hydroxy 3-methyl is written in the red word. So it is the prefix. So 4-hydroxy 3-methyl gives us information about the hydroxy functional group and the methyl functional group. And AL, here you can see pentanal, AL is written in the green color. So this word gives us information about the suffix. So basically it is consists of three word, that is one prefix which they are written in the red color. Root word which is written in the blue color, and the AL that is written in the green color, it is the suffix. So prefix, root word and suffix, it is the order for the naming of organic compound in IUPAC procedure. So these are the root words used for the number of carbon atoms. Here we can see in the first, if there is single carbon atom in the organic compound, we can use the root word as me. Similarly for second, it will be eth, for third it will be from. So similarly we have to remember all the at least up to 10 we have to remember this table. Then we can see again the same example. Here the root word has been used as pent because there are 5 carbon atoms in this organic compound. Then prefixes. So general prefix, there are two types of prefix. One is our primary prefix and another one is secondary prefix. So primary prefix gives us information about whether the organic compound is cyclic or acyclic in nature, and secondary prefix gives us information about the types of and the numbers of functional group present in the organic compound. In this simple example, we can see the name of this compound is 3-methyl pentane. Here the 3-methyl, this word is its prefix. So in this case we can see if methyl group is there in the third position, right? So 3-methyl is the our prefixes, and pentane is our from the pentane we can see pent is for the, as there are 5 carbon atoms are there, so pent is the root word and N is this N is the suffix. Then if we will see the suffix, again suffix can be of two types. One is primary suffix and another one is secondary suffix. So primary suffix gives us information about the which type of bond is there in the organic compound. If there exists a single bond, then we can use the word ANE as its suffix. And if double bond is present in the organic compound, we can use the word ENE with the root name as its suffix. Let us see an example. In this table we can see if there are 4 carbon atoms in a compound, if there exists a single bond, then we can name that compound as butane. But if there exists a double bond, we have to name that compound as butane. In this case, we can see but is its root name and ene or ane is the suffix that is used for whether the compound is a single bond or a double bond. Then secondary suffix. Secondary suffix actually give us information about the main functional group or the major functional group present in the organic compound. Here in this case, we can see again, this is an example of an organic compound which is called pentanol. Pentanol, or we can say this is pentate 2OL. So here we can see in this compound there is a hydroxy group, and in the second position. So pent is used as a root word because there are 5 carbon atoms. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carbon atoms. So pent is its root word, and ANE, there is AN word. So AN is for the primary suffix, primary suffix, and 2OL is used as a secondary suffix because these 2OL gives us information about the main functional group present in this organic compound. Let us see now what are the major rules we follow for the naming of the organic compound in IUPAC nomenclature procedure with examples. So basically in this IUPAC nomenclature, we have to follow the longest chain rule. The longest chain rule means we have to find a longest continuous chain, and there is no specific rule whether the chain should be straight or it can be of any shape. So the chain it can be a straight chain or it can be of any shape, but we have to keep on our mind that the chain should be continuous chain. Then second rule is the lowest set of clusters. We have to number the organic compound. We have to number the carbon atom present in the organic compound. We have to number that. We have to number the organic carbon atom in such a way that we in this step the carbon atoms belonging to the parent hydrocarbon chain must be numbered using natural numbers and beginning from the end in which the lowest number is assigned to the carbon atom which carries the substituent. So in this step we have to give a natural number to all the carbon atoms present in the organic compound, and we have to number in such a way that the lowest number is assigned to the carbon atom which carries the substituent. Yes, if there is substituent, we have to number in such a way that in lowest number we will encounter a substituent group. Then third rule is naming of the different substituents. So if there are different substituents are there in the organic compound, we have to name all the substituents. Then the naming of the different substituent present at the same position. If more than one substituent group is present or are present in the same location, then we have to also name the then naming of the complex substituent. So naming of the actual complex substituent follows this format. So first we have to write the locant, then we have to write the prefix, then the root word, then the locant, then again the suffix. So let us see. So we can see this is a simple example. Here there are 6 carbon atoms are there. So first we have to, according to the rule, first we have to find a longest continuous carbon chain. So I have marked this is the longest continuous carbon chain in this particular organic compound. And next rule is we have to give or we have to assign a natural number. So we can assign a natural number from this part to that part or from that part to this part. So here we have to consider that the second rule, in the second rule it is clearly mentioned that we have to give the natural number in such a way that we will encounter a substituent or a functional group in its lowest position. So if I give the natural number from right to left, then I will see here in the second position there is a functional group. In other case, if I will assign the natural number from that side, then we will have a functional group in the fourth position. So it is obvious that we have to give the numbers to the carbon atom in this organic compound from the right to left. So I am assigning the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So next step is we have to name all the substituents present in this organic compound. So here there are 2 substituents are there. One is hydroxy group, another one is methyl group. So we have to write 2-methyl. Methyl is a substituent group which will be used as a prefix, and there are 6 carbon atoms. So hex will be its parent word or root word. Then our primary suffix will be A-N-E, because in this particular organic compound there are only single bonds. So hexane will be there. Then for this main functional group we will use 3-O-L, and we can consider this 3-O-L-H suffix. So basically the name of this organic compound will be 2-methyl hexane 3-O-L. Right? I think this small video will help you to understand the basic of nomenclature of the organic compound. Thank you.